Good afternoon all, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you why I'm doing this series for my brother machine, because when I go back to college in September I'll know a bit more about my machine, and I have been doing, because as you know I was at college 3 times a day since my September. So I distinguish that should be on a 2 and a 2 for your tension. It's the running stitch. I bought some nice material from Amazon. Pretty. Now I'm testing the strength of this material. The Distinguish 2.5 was just a normal basic running stitch. So I'm going to try the bottom one and see how it goes. So I'll put 3.0 at the bottom. So it's kind of a fraction division. Yeah, like a division. Or it's like masses. Just how you work it out. So I'm going to try the 3.0. So I've been writing a little diary. So I'm just going to put 2.5. So I'm doing this one and see how the strength of the materials looking good. Should do. It's quite an expensive machine. Okay, that one's quite so. That is kind of quite a nice. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if I can do it another. I'm just using basic little scissors, and they're quite blunt, so not sharp. What I'm going to do, I might try. I might try it on here. So I'm going to use some nice pretty material and try different.
It's the yellow one.
I could use a yellow one. Yep, I could use a plain yellow. Okay, right, let's use a yellow on blue. It might show up better. This is going to be 2.5, 3.0, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up a little diary of my machine. I might do I don't mind if it goes wrong, because I'm only just learning myself, so I just I can use that for hand sewing. It don't really matter. In fact, just do it on here, because you have to try different material. I don't know why it's not. I'm going to put it on a quarter that I've been using. So mainly I've been using a quarter. So let's try it on there. So I don't know, that's better, but it's a lot better I find that a bit more, little bit better than 2.5, I'd say. I'm making a diary of it, so I'm going to put 2.5, 3.0. Now this is awareness stage, so I'm going to try 2.5 and that way, and see how that goes. So it's seems to be a bit more smooth. Quite like that, isn't it? And that seems a bit more smoother. Don't know why. So right, okay. So that's okay. That seems a bit smooth. It seems the same as if it was on, but it. Let me try it on a plane now. See if it. Let's do it on a quarter. Always do it on what you've been using. I say. That's better. Okay. Right. That's a little bit better, isn't it? That's a bit more believable. So what I'm gonna do, I will. That's on the top as well, isn't it? 3.0 and 2.5, and that's reversed itself. So it can go to 35 and to 35. So I'm going to do the same, and afterwards I'm going to make a little diary of my, and put it in a special book, and I'll show you later. I'm not teaching, I'm just learning with you. So I'm not an expert. It's attention to go with your material. That looks a bit better on this here, isn't it? So. And then you think it is. I want to experiment with something because I'm going to what I'll do afterwards. I am going to there's a feature on here which no, it's not that one. Can't remember. No, I can't remember. I'll have to look into the foot. I can't remember which one it was. It's I've asked you can. That's it. There's a special feature on your machine. It's this one here, and you move it from back to front. So you just like that, and then you just. Actually, I quite like this one on this material. It's not puffed up or anything. And you just press it to make that effect. If you was doing something in your corners. That is actually quite alright. it's not happy with the back. But I will practice right through the summer because I need to know myself. This is a limited edition. I don't know if you can get them now. You might have to look it up. It's 3.1, 3.5. No, I will go up to 40. It goes up to 50. Yeah. It goes on the try 50, 50 at the bottom, and see what the difference is. There's more than, I might go through, I did 35 overnight. I'll do 40. 40. It goes up to 50. I'll show. Look, it's here. It's 40 now. And this is just on a running stitch here. There's all these features. That should be good fun. But so you, whenever you are making, just play around with your new machine. There's basic ones out there. I could buy one and show you. But anyway, this is just my right. Let's try it on here. I might. I'm not going to use this material, that's quite smooth. Quite like that one. Oh yes, I do like that. That is, I quite like the 40 actually. So it's just quite neat at the back as well. Yeah, it is quite neat at the back than the others. So I will use the 40. I think I will use the 40 for the running stitch. It's just neater at the back as well. Let's try it on here. Yeah, I'm trying to learn myself. Right, it seems to puff up a bit on main, but it didn't on there. It might be, but I will use the 40. I think I like that material on here because it didn't puff up. Interesting. So I'll do one more. I'll do 45. I might put a different colour on. Interesting, isn't it? Right, okay. Wow, can you see the difference? Because it's not puffed up at the back. Because when you're doing that normal stitch, it tends to puff up. Oh wow, that's quite like that. I might be doing the ones I might be doing. I feel there's that one, and that one. They're the three I might do, and it does not puff up 50. Doing that, I'll go do the one that's it. It goes up to 50 on that Pacific number 1. So there's number 1. Got a long way to go down, but I do the 50 right here. Next time I'll have to so I find that no, I think I will use 50 on 50. It was 55, 50, 70, goes up to 70. That is quite a little posh machine. I don't think I'll be going any further than I did like what I'll do when I'm not recording. I will do a little practice on a piece. This is old stuff, so I might just do it on here. Kind of do something. These are blunt scissors. This will go on this one. Doesn't matter what colour it is. It's just practice on just doing it. That's 50 over 70. I didn't know it went up there. And yeah, you have to learn your own machine, isn't it? No, I don't think I'll be going any further than the tension on the running stitch on this machine. I think I liked the 40 and the 4.5. It didn't run at the back, and the 2.5 sometimes it does, but it's just practicing it on the machine. I have got fits for this machine that I bought with it. It was I don't know if you can get them now. You can always look online if you're interested. But but if you want a basic machine, you just have the numbers and it will tell you what to do. But on a digital, it is kind of complicated, to be fair. So I will be doing my tension on either 40. I might have a practice 40. I don't like mixing them because it freezes up at the back. So, and there's a lot to learn on this machine, Pacific machine, and it's a very limited edition. And all these, when a bit later you move this about, but I have got different. I don't know if it's in here, but I can't remember. No, it might be all in. I've got spare needles. It's like a little diary I'm going to make after when I get time. I might make a diary and put all the different tensions in a little book. So I know for reference when I actually do my sewing machine in September. So this is just amazing machine, really. It's I think I've seen them, but not as this one. So if you're interested in getting a machine, and if you haven't used one, make sure it's just a basic one. This is rather sentimental at the best of times, but it's not bad little machine. So what I'll do is soon I'm going to make a little diary of it. So just thanks for watching, and if you like to subscribe, ring the notification bell and hit that, and have a good day. Share and like. Bye.